Finally, a taco truck, or a torta truck. I got so hungry on the way to Palm Springs. So happy. No, you have tacos. They got tacos. Buenas noches. Oh, and burritos? No.
Beans and rice.
Beans and rice. What are you? What's on your menu? I don't even see a menu. Yeah. It's just one kind of meat, right? Yeah, they're making the tortillas. Oh, okay. It smells good. What's on your menu? What is on your menu?
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 Oh, it's el pastor.
El pastor.
Pastor, asada.
Asada.
Frijoles and rice.
Frijoles and rice. So,
Chorizo.
chorizos?
Lengua, buche.
They have lengua? Oh, they have lengua. Yes. They do. I love lenguas. They have buche. Lenguas, for you guys who don't know, it's tongue. They have, I forget what he said. Buche, lenguas, carnitas. Cabeza?
Cabeza.
¿Tienes cabeza?
Sí, ahí está, yeah.
Yeah, cabeza. So I want a cabeza, lenguas,
I'm gonna have rice and beans.
Oh, and then pastor.
You know it's brain, right?
4 tacos es todo. Tenemos
The innards?
4 taquitos es todo.
Probably the cash.
No.
Hola,
No, you still fish.
Recuerda que tienes como me quiero de pastor, de asada, de cabeza, de buche, lengua y chorizo.
Mira, dame 3 de cabeza, me lo van a hacer para llevar. ¿Me los das en un plato así, por favor?
Claro que sí, 3 de cabeza.
Sí, 3 de cabeza.
Gracias, copa.
Y voy a pedir más, pero en otro plato.
Va a pedir mucho porque sigamos nosotros. Nada más. No, está bien.
Adelante, no, sírveles a ellas. Yo no sabía, nomás porque...
Do we have it?
Traigo niños a carro.
Can I get lenguas, cabeza, and el pastor?
Yo me quedé porque...
Cabeza, lengua, pastor.
Yeah.
3 tacos.
Sí.
¿Y para usted?
Yo quiero uno de cabeza, uno pastor.
I ordered, I didn't know what you want, rice and beans?
Yeah, just get some rice.
2 de pastor, uno de asada y uno de cabeza.
2 de pastor, 1 de cabeza.
Asada.
1 de asada. 2 de pastor, 1 de asada y 1 de cabeza.
Yeah. Cabeza is a favorite, we all got them. But I got pastor and lengua.
You got 3.
Yeah,
Someone was hungry.
I eat. That was my only meal today. Yeah. Something. Love this sizzle. That's hers.
Para usted va a ser 2 del pastor, ¿no?
2 de pastor para hija y 2 de asada.
2 de pastor y 2 de asada. Y aparte
Ese es mío, ajá.
Oh, he's like about to slice. Where? Oh, cool. No one asked for it. you can get frijoles. She's making the tortillas fresh.
¿Sería todo?
Sí. ¿Los puedo preparar antes que me los tapen?
¿Lo va a preparar?
Ajá.
Claro que sí. One pastor.
Pastor,
One,
cabeza,
cabeza,
lengua.
one lengua.
Sí. Ooh, that's all mine. Yum. That's the cabeza. Hey, I think that was the cabeza. That one's lengua. That one's cabeza. Oh, okay, yeah. So that one's cabeza, that one's the lengua, that one's the pastor, and then 4 tortillas. These are some little chilies. I might eat some nightshades no matter what. I guess so. I would eat that for sure.
¿Solo 3 tacos?
3 taquitos. Y 3 de cabeza para usted, ¿no?
Sí, en un plato dame.
Now there's a line. I love it. Got here right before the line.
It's a popular spot.
Yeah. See it rising? Beautiful.
De la recién hecha.
Sí, de los que estamos por de los tacos primos. Es que ya estamos.
Wait, where is my Oh. When do I get the beans and rice?
You want beans and rice too?
Oh, I have to ask them extra for it? Or
Yeah, you probably.
oh, okay.
You're gonna tell him.
Well, I don't need it then.
He's gonna tell you.
Oh, okay.
Me vas a dar
I forget.
Everything's good.
dos de
Yeah, I see
Right here.
that.
Right here.
dos de cabeza y
Yes.
And I want just rice and beans and 4 tortillas. A side.
Un side de
roast.
rice beans?
Yeah, beans and rice and roast.
Ajá,
And
arroz y frijol.
4 tortillas.
No, ya no tenemos.
The fresh ones, right off this group.
4 tortillas?
Yeah.
Ok.
Quiere que le dé de las frescas que está haciendo.
Sí, sí, está bien.
And can we add rice and beans to my plate or no? Can we add rice and beans to my plate? Oh, okay, sure. No, that's okay. I'll add 6. I'll use some from yours. Ooh, the lemon. Some
Oh yeah, he could have put rice and beans on your taco.
That's what I meant, like just like
Just
hers.
tell him you want it.
Yeah.
I'll tell him. I'll try to tell him.
They are getting busy.
Gotta toss up the raccoon.
Yeah.
¿De dónde viene, Juan?
De Perry. Sí.
You want onions and cilantro?
Yeah, but I'll wait till he hands me the plate.
Exacto. Ya está quemando pasado.
Tortillas are made right here. Can I have some rice and beans on top of my tacos? Just a little bit?
Sí, ahorita arroz.
Right, yeah.
Un side de arroz y frijol.
Sí.
Y por
Necesito rice and beans
Arroz y frijoles.
Sí, ahorita lo voy a llevar a echar.
on the
On the
tacos.
top.
Aquí en los platos, aquí en el plato.
Sí. Yes.
Aquí en los tacos, no
Yes.
aparte.
Yes. And the side of rice and beans, yes.
Tacos.
¿Es de ellos?
Sí, para él.
Si quiere que le ponen los tacos y aparte también un side.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. My Spanish is so rusty.
Non-existent.
Oh. Yeah, he wants to get in. Oh, we can get plastic.
Chorizo.
Sí, sí, sí. Gracias.
Ok, de asada me das entonces 3 de al pastor.
Yeah, yeah.
3 de asada, 3 al pastor.
Oh, yeah. Perfect. These guys don't speak English, and my Spanish is no good.
Pastor y 3 de chorizo.
Ooh, perfect. I know, it's so good. Gracias. And then I'll add some. I guess I'll put it on it. I don't need to put it in bags. Exactly. I'm gonna dress my tacos. BRB.
4 tortillas recién hechas.